myself Yogi. I'm the skill trainer in QSpiders Punjagutta branch. Along with me, one of your friend, his name is DIWAKAR. Recently got the job. First, he will introduce himself. Introduce DIWAKAR.
Good evening, sir. My name is DIWAKAR BISWAS and I am from Kollam district. And I have completed my graduation in the year of 2023 from the Degree College.
Okay. You completed your graduation, correct?
Yes.
Which group you belongs to?
I belong to BCom.
BCom. Very good. 2023 you completed, DIWAKAR. Okay. Here, which course you joined, DIWAKAR?
Actually, I was joining in software testing.
Software testing. Which are the subjects you learned in software testing?
Actually, in the software testing, I have learned manual testing, automation, selling, SQL, and code Java.
Okay, very good. I think along while attending the classes, you did presentations, and before attending the interviews, you attended grooming sessions, correct? Now, how the presentations helped you?
Yes, sir. The presentation is mostly important because it has helped me to how to present in front of interviewer and how to communicate with them and how your face expression should be and how should you explain it properly. That all things I got to learn. And while performing presentation, I got to know about the topic more clearly.
Okay. How grooming sessions helped you?
A grooming session mostly helped me when I was preparing for interview. In that circumstances, I got some ideas, some unknown ideas about how they are asking questions and how they are gonna asking questions. Actually, it is not a proper question they will ask, but I got some idea about how to give the answer in the interview.
Okay, very good. So, how was the journey with QSpiders?
It is nice. Actually, I struggled too hard here, but even though I was staying here till 10 months, but even though they are supporting me until I got job.
Oh, very good. So, finally, what do you want to say about QSpiders to others?
Like actually, it is a very nice institute. I am also thinking that my brother should also I will join here.
Okay, very good. Finally, you got job, correct? No? In which company you got job, DIWAKAR?
Actually, I joined in a reputed company